Hi friends, today's video is a short travel video from my home to office. Hope you enjoy it. We can take SkyTrain to reach downtown. I'm sure you guessed which shop is this. In the front of Metrotown, there's a SkyTrain station. Using Compass card, you can get access to the SkyTrain platform. SkyTrain is the transit system which is widely used in Vancouver and nearby districts. Vancouver is surrounded with huge mountains, so the view from train is pretty and beautiful. Now enjoy the view. Tap the card and you can exit out of Waterfront Station. It's a working steam clock, one of only a few in the world, located in Vancouver's Victorian gas town. It's a nice feeling to just walk through a rainy day in Vancouver's Water Street. I saw Vancouver Film School here in Water Street. I'm almost nearby to my office here. You can see those beautiful mountains, and also this place is very nearby to the Vancouver Harbour. Thank you for watching this short video. Sometimes it's very hard to believe that I'm walking through these streets, but it's happening now.